So the first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here, then click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your PC. After restarting, check if the controller is working or not. If not, next solution is to update your controller drivers. For that, first connect your PC and controller. After that, go to the search option, search for device manager, and go below expand human interface devices. Here select your drivers, then click on update driver, and after that again click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your controller drivers, and after updating it, now check if the controller is working or not. Next is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, you need to go to Steam, go to the library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, then click on controller. After that, here you need to select enable Steam input, and after that check if the controller is working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input, and after that check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, then click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So once done, check if the gamepad or controller is working or not. Next is to check for game update. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game and check if it's working or not. So for that, you need to go to Steam, select your game, and here you can see the update option. If any update option is available, click on it, and once the game is updated, check if the problem is fixed or not. Next is to launch Steam in big picture mode. So for that, go to Steam. Here in the above section you can see big picture mode. Simply click on it. After this, you need to select your game, or else search for your game, and then try to play it. If it's playing, then you need to simply click on Steam option over here, and then click on power, and after that click on exit big picture mode. After this, check if the gamepad or controller is working or not. Next solution is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option, search for check for updates. Now here you should check if there is any update available. Click on check for updates option, and after that launch the game and see if controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, next is to install DS4 Windows tool. So I have already given the link in the description. What you need to do is simply copy it and paste it in your browser. After that, download the DS4 Windows tool. After downloading, install it, and after installing, connect your controller and update it. Once done, launch Cronos, the New Dawn game, and check if the controller or gamepad is working now or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix the issue you are coming across. That's all for now in this video. Thank you.